Got new tails for the hatch. Thought I'd do a quick unboxing. I don't think I'm going to do an install or anything on them because I already did the tail install on a video with the 50/50, so I just want to do an unboxing of these clear tails that I got because I actually got them on eBay. So hopefully the quality is good and the fitment is good. I mean, if the cheaper tail lights on eBay fit pretty decent on there, I mean, these shouldn't be too far off. So, but I mean, these ones did come from out of country. It's like, I don't even know, like Malaysia or something like that. So we'll kind of see what they look like. Kind of excited though, because I've always wanted a set of clear tails. So they come in the same exact style box as like any other tail that you would get off eBay. So put an outer first. And there it is, there's the outer. Yeah, it looks about the same quality as the 50/50s that I usually get, so. I'm going to open up the rest off camera and then I'll put it back on and show the whole set. Alright, so here they are out of the box, all of them. Looks like none of them came damaged. So that's definitely a good sign. So pretty excited to get these ones on, see how they look. I'm not going to do no install, so I'm just going to slap them on and then I'll attach another of the video, of course, to it and show you from there. I'm kind of in the middle of some things though, so I'll show it when I'm able to pull the car out. Alright, put on the tail lights. That's what they look like. I do have some LED blinkers coming in. I have those ordered. Couldn't find them at the stores. But I did put LEDs on everything but the backup lights, so. Yeah, I look way better once I have the turn signals LED as well. But I mean, for the most part, they fit pretty well. I mean, don't mind my my tailgate 'cause it's not aligned. You could tell this side sits a little closer, but clear tails. LEDs, they're like those Sylvanias that you get at O'Reilly's or AutoZone. Shut the garage real quick. They're brighter though. I need to get some LED reverse lights too, but. And they still have that reflector, so I mean, technically they're still illegal, so. I've heard people getting pulled over for those. For having like clear tails. Well, that's it. That's what clear taillights from eBay look like. I'll put a link to the exact ones that I ordered, so you kind of feel better about ordering them. Because I was kind of hesitant. Yeah, but there it is.